Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Today is Martes, di ba? Tuesday. It's time to pray the rosary again. Anyway, we have prayed rosary, or we are praying rosary every day through virtual rosary. Kasama ko yung mga bata sa Pilipinas. Pati minsan yung kapatid ko na nagtrabaho. Nag-virtual rosary kami. Mostly from Monday to Saturday. Minsan lang masali ang Sunday kung may mga busy, hindi kami busy. Pero nagsisimba yung mga bata. Ako naman nagsisimba dito kaya online mass. So, happy Tuesday everyone! Kasi mag-rosary na kami. Kayo din, mag-rosary na rin kayo. Bye!